to see the bedroom. Let's zoom in. Okay, hey guys. Oh man, now we're crooked. Just look a little straight. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a long-awaited makeup routine, and I've had this brush stored away for probably 2 months now, just waiting to do a video with it. I have not tried it, I haven't touched it, it's brand new. This is called the BBF brush, and this is called the Best Blend Forever brush, and it's from Maskcara Beauty. I've been waiting to try this. My challenge today is to do a full face with just this brush, with the exception of not setting my face with powder, but we are gonna use this to kind of cover the face with the foundation. I just realized I haven't put primer on. One of my favorite primers is e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. So we're gonna put this on because actually I'm getting ready for work. And so I just want to make sure my makeup's going to stay all day today. Most of this video is just going to be a fast forward. I just really want to focus on this brush and see how I like and how to apply this product. I think I'm going to do my highlight on this end and then my contour on this little end and see how that goes. Here is my compact. It's so used and so loved. It's all faded and stuff. Here's the back. So there's got 2 layers in it. Here is my top layer, where I keep all of my cream, my 2 highlights, my contour, my Bella bronzer, my cream bronzer, and then these are 2 blushes that I can use to either color correct with, lip and cheek, eyeshadow, whatever I want to use. And then the bottom, a very loved bottom, my illuminator. This is Starlit, my powder bronzers, Cayman bronzer. And these are all different eyeshadows that I like to switch between depending on the day. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the face. And I actually just put in a brand new candlelit, which is my overall color. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swirl it in there. Just getting some on the brush. It's like brand new, and so you always, there we go. Alright, it's so soft. I'm assuming the coverage is going to be a little bit like light coverage, but it's always buildable. So let's see. I have a camera down here, so I'm going to be looking down so I can see myself a little better. But look at all this redness. And we're just going to make that go away. Alright, we need more product for sure. Kind of getting there. Just need to build it up. This brush is so fluffy, it's not really dense, and I'm having a hard time with these creams getting it to kind of like pile on what I need. Now I'm just kind of stippling it. I was swirling it, but I wasn't really doing anything. So stippling it on the face is definitely, and like pressing it into the skin is definitely the way to go. And I'm just tapping in a couple times. I'm not like digging into it. It still almost looks brand new. And then I'm just pressing it in. Alright, we have most of the face covered. I'm going to add an accent highlight in there. Highlight under the eyes. So now I'm going to turn it around and dip it in the smaller end into my contour. Now the contour is a little thicker, and we're just going to see, it feels more dense. I feel like if it was longer bristles it would be just kind of fluffy, but the shorter bristles makes it a little bit more dense. We're going to start up here and just kind of bring it down this way. And I'm just going to blend that out, make it look like a shadow. Trying to figure out it's so fine, but I want like a natural just shadow. I don't want just a line, so I'm trying to blend it out, flip it over, kind of soften the edges with the other side. I think that looks pretty good. I need to soften the edge over here just a little. Ooh, this will be good for nose contour. Let's try that. I tried to use the viewfinder on the camera and it made me go crooked, so we're gonna look down. Alright, we need to blend that out. We'll blend it downward. I'm gonna add some blush. This is gonna be Plum right here. So I did want to try this Bella bronzer. The only thing with this brush is Bella bronzer is going to have to be on this end. So I would have to clean the brush to use the highlight again because it's going to have bronzer all over it. But we're going to try because I really want to see how it works with that, and that could just be my go-to brush. Just tap it in there. It's so pigmented but so light. And so we're just going to go ahead and sheer this on. So there we go with that. So now I am not going to use this to set my face with. It's got bronzer and highlight all over it. Oh, I do have my B-square brush, so we're just going to fast forward, put the rest of the face on, and I will be right back. Okay, eyebrows are on. We're gonna dip back into our BBF brush. I'm gonna dip into this one. This one's called Pup, and I just finished my first one and I'm on my second. So I really love this color. It's really light and just kind of a buildable shade, like a brown grayish color. So we're just gonna fast forward and do our eyeshadows. This is how I do it pretty much every day. I think we are finished. I added Rome and Basic on my eyeshadows, and then I added my Illuminator Starlit on the high points of my cheeks, a little bit on the Cupid's bow and the nose, and then, oh, mascara, we can't forget. This is Superhero from It Cosmetics. And we are just going to coat this over top of the lashes. And there we go. I think this is the final look. Obviously it's the same look, but we were just focusing on this brush. I'm not sure how I feel about it for my highlight and contour, but applying the illuminator, doing the bronzer wasn't very bad. I actually really enjoyed that with this brush. Actually, and then having the contour just kind of blend out. So I don't think I'll use this for highlight, but a lot of the powders or illuminator especially, this would be so beautiful for. The nose contour with this small end was such a breeze. It was so nice. I was looking in the viewfinder and it made me go crooked. So as long as I'm paying attention, I'll be fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below and like this video. Give me a comment if you have tried Maskcara Beauty product and what brush would you like me to do a full face with. So yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!